to say while in Turkish. Learn Turkish grammar easily. Have you ever wanted to say while doing something in Turkish? Like, I listened to music while walking. Or, she was cooking while I was cleaning. In this lesson, I'll teach you the most natural ways to say while in Turkish with examples, pronunciation, and context. Let's go!
Ken.
Suffix. For simultaneous actions. When two things happen at the same time, we use
Ken.
Structure. Verb stem plus.
Ken.
If the verb ends in a vowel, use
Ken.
Examples.
Yürürken müzik dinliyorum. Yürürken müzik dinliyorum.
I listen to music while walking.
Ders çalışırken telefon çaldı. Ders çalışırken telefon çaldı.
The phone rang while I was studying.
O yemek yaparken ben temizlik yapıyordum. O yemek yaparken ben temizlik yapıyordum.
While she was cooking, I was cleaning. Tip.
Ken.
Is very common in daily Turkish. Memorize it with action verbs.
Sırasında. Esnasında.
During or while. Use this when you're talking about nouns, not verbs. More formal or written style. Examples.
Toplantı sırasında telefonum çaldı. Toplantı sırasında telefonum çaldı.
My phone rang during the meeting.
Savaş esnasında birçok insan evsiz kaldı. Savaş esnasında birçok insan evsiz kaldı.
Many people became homeless during the war. Use these in professional or written Turkish.
İken.
More formal version of
Ken.
same meaning as,
Ken.
but used separately or in formal writing. Example.
Ben dışarıdayken o evdeydi. Ben dışarıdayken o evdeydi.
He was at home while I was outside. In daily speech, people just say
Ken.
instead of,
İken.
while showing contrast. Whereas or although. Sometimes while shows contrast, like although or whereas. Use.
Ken. Halbuki. Oysa.
Or.
Oysa ki.
More formal. Examples.
Ali çalışırken Ayşe oyun oynuyordu. Ali çalışırken Ayşe oyun oynuyordu.
While Ali was working, Ice was playing.
O çok çalıştı, halbuki başarılı olamadı. O çok çalıştı, halbuki başarılı olamadı.
He worked hard, while he couldn't succeed. Use these to compare two opposite situations. Language challenge time. Can you translate this sentence into Turkish? I was reading a book while drinking tea. Write your answer in the comments. I will check and reply. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your fellow Turkish learners. And turn on the bell icon for more amazing Turkish grammar lessons. See you next time.
Görüşürüz.